This could be your next indicator that can be a profitable one, and this is basically based on the zigzag and it is based on the trend. And the method is very simple to use this indicator because we will treat it in a very different way, and I will explain you how you can do it. And just watch this full video because this is the free indicator, and I will tell you how you can simply attach this indicator on your screen and what are the pro tips that if you follow those tips then you can make a lot of money just by using these indicators. Okay, first of all, guys, let me delete this indicator so that we can reattach it on our screen, and this is called BZZ. So when you write BZZ on TradingView, then this will come, that is called band zigzag based trend follower indicator, and this is by Trendscope, and you can see this is gaining a slight importance right now. Okay, so once we attach this indicator, then all we just need is to just uncheck the labels and we don't need to make any changes. It is using some sort of Bollinger Bands and the other trend confirmations. Okay, now let me tell you that what you basically do with the other indicators. Like for example, uh, what normally guys do that when you get a sell signal from the zigzag, you go for a sell, you go for a buy. You know very well about the zigzags, that how they actually work, but I'm going to tell you a different methodology here. Okay, so if you just look at here, that there is a red line that is called, that this is basically gauging the trend. So what happens to this candle? If you just look at this candle, if I zoom in my picture, then you can completely see that this candle closed below the red line, you can see. So this is kind of a message that the price is closed below the red line, so it basically shows the weakness of the market. So in that case, what is the good point to enter? So what do you think, that should we go and take a sell position exactly from here? This will be very wrong, because market normally makes some sort of retracement, and then you can say that it has made a little bit retracement, you waited for some time, and this was your right time where you see the candles that were rejecting with the wicks, and then you can go for the sell order, and you can see even the price was closing again below, and you can see the trend is going down. Okay, let's see this on the different things. Like for example, the close was, sorry, here the close was below. Now you can see the market continued to be into the downward direction. Okay, so right now the close is not bullish because it's just close at the green level, so we cannot consider this one. Look at this one. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you are simply are going to take a buy position. No, this will be wrong. Just look at the close. The market is closing below the red line, so wait for the retracement. The market can make a little bit retrace, and then you will get some sort of rejection candles like this here or little bit above, and then you can go and take a short position like this, because this indicator will keep you guiding with the trends. Okay, now just look at this part. Okay, I'm just going to highlight a very important point here. Now you can see just above the green line, that was the candle that was closed above. Now the market has made a slight bearish retracement here, couple of candles, and then it made the wicks from the lower side, and then you can see the price simply shoot into the upward direction. So just use the common sense, because if you don't have a common sense, then it will be a very difficult for you to trade the markets, because they are not easy. Okay, yes, sometimes there will be stop losses. For example, look at this candle was closed above, but the next candle pumped down, and there was a lot of volatility in the markets as well. Okay, now you can see, mostly if you follow it with my method, then you will be completely fine. Just look at NZD CAD. Okay, here this candle was closed above, and now you can see the market starts to trend into the upward direction. So guys, this is about this indicator. And moreover, if you want to trade this indicator with from the key levels like the bank buying and the selling levels, you can see this is our private indicator, and you can get the access of this indicator from our Telegram. You can find our email as well in the description. Our other indicator is called the market turning points indicator. That is very perfect. Like for example, the price is down already, but this is the last buying opportunity on our indicator, and that was the last selling opportunity. You can see the price simply went down, and this indicator is very powerful. If you want to get the lifetime access of my private indicator, that is called the market turning points indicator, you can contact on Telegram. You can contact through email. Links are in the description. Thank you very much.